All right, guys, we're gonna start this video out by saying, oops, I messed up. So I uploaded this video originally thinking that it was this video that I'm posting right now. So that being said, I made the last video into a part 1. So this will be part 2 / full version. I do apologize. I wish I would have known sooner because I would have fixed it and just not had to deal with it. Also, I'd like to say before it all gets started, there is a little mishap with some of the audio, which I believe is why none of this got uploaded right in the first place. So I did a bunch of voiceovers. It works. Let me know what you guys think. Also, OG camo and orange embroidered Hoodie Brothers Auto Fab hats are for sale. If anyone is interested, let me know. Website yet, but if you want to get at us in our DMs on Instagram, Facebook, we are Hoodie Brothers Auto Fab on either, or my personal account is at Jack Fabrication on Instagram. $25. These are Yupon Classics. They used to be the Richardsons, but they ran out of the blacks. So got the camo with the orange embroidered, or the black with the purple embroidered. So you guys will be seeing part 1-ish right now, so enjoy. Peace. Aluminum pontoon repair. This ball fell off the receiver on the truck and took a little spill onto the road. I already whacked this back over. That was bent like that. So big crack there, and then this side, what the hell? You ever wonder what a pontoon looks like? I used to build pontoons, so this kind of it's probably be totaled out if the insurance claimed it, but we'll get her fixed up. And then over here, it got some road rash down the road when it fell. Crack there, big gash. We'll weld that up, get a plate on it, gouge into it. I mean, this whole section is super thin now. And then even worse, back here, even more road gash. Super thin, a lot of the material's missing. Super bad. Basically right next to that weld. So we'll gouge into that, weld it, plate it, weld all the way around, make sure it's right. Big pontoon to sink into the lake, so we'll get her all done up right. This one's mostly straight now. Good enough. This one, I'm going to get some welds right here, get it kind of shaped back, and then I'll start to bend this back into its straightened like position and start laying more welds basically and get it as straight as possible, and then we'll probably end up plating it. I'm not 100% sure, but shouldn't be too bad. That's what they all say. Of course, as you know, Everlast Welder, we're fixing this bad boy up. Our 325 EXT. We're gonna start out on this one. Looking pretty good. Came out decent. Do a little weave right there since it's dented, and just a little repair. This thing shouldn't be getting torn up too bad anymore. So most of the clips here, the audio got messed up, and that's probably why the original video of this video got messed up in the first place, and no one told me that it was not fully done, and I don't know how it didn't get uploaded right, but clearly there was a mistake. So here is part 2 of this video, and we will show you the right way, or the way that we fix this pontoon. So this clip right here, I'm adding some weld to the one side, so I'm able to move the material around quite a bit. As you can tell, it needs to be moved around and played with so I can get it in the right spot. So I'm just adding some beads here so I can be able to do that. So now I'm just using some crescent wrenches and a dead blow hammer and just being able to move this one side over enough so I can get some more weld on it and get the one side straight, and just keep working it until it gets straighter. Here you can just see where I got the beads in there to straighten it out. As you can tell, it's straightened out quite a bit. And then I'm just working my way up that one side and then kind of smacking the material into place, getting it over to where it needs to be. As you can tell, I got this side pretty straight, so I think I'm clamping this up. I'll get this clamped up here and get that nice and straight back to itself with the keel. I am throwing some clamps on it, getting it back to straight, and then moving the material over and over, getting it straight and straight on the other side. And then here I'll be welding it back, keeping going up and up. Just keep going down the side of it, keep manipulating the other side, making sure that it is straight. And here I am twisting the very top because I'm finally able to, and then pounding it over in place, and really it just kind of pounded right back over where it needed to go once I got all that weld on the other side and got it straight and clamped in there good. So it worked out nice. Kind of had to go back in there and manipulate the very top corner there because it was bent over, so I had to open it up a little bit. Really, you just keep working it until you can get it back over to as factory and stock looking as it can, which in this case, it was never going to happen, but it did turn out very nice for how bad that it was, and not using any other material as like plate or sheet to go over it. So now I'm just showing you how the fitment is up close, what it really looks like all bent up and everything back together. So it came back really nice, as you could tell how it was. I'll throw a little snippet in right here of what it looked like from then and now, and then in a second you'll see it all welded. Guys, so finally here it is, all welded. Everything came back together. I ended up just deciding to run a bunch of beads on the side of it instead of plating it and using more material. I'd say it came out really nice. Customer was very happy with how everything came out and for the price and what they spent to make it look how it does again and being functional, fully functional. So with that being said, I'm very happy with how the front of this came out. So now we'll get on to the rear of the boat. There we go. That one is all patched. Last one all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you would like and subscribe below, let me know how you liked the video. I'm sorry that it took so long to get this part 2 out, but it just came to my attention that part 1 kind of got messed up. So thank you guys. Subscribe for more. Peace.